Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create XML sitemap on your Yoast SEO. So if you have already installed the plugin Yoast SEO, you will see this on here. And what you want to click on is right there, settings. Now you will see all of these features and all of these categories. But what you want to find is go ahead and scroll down until you see APIs and XML sitemaps. Now we want to go ahead and click on View XML sitemap, and you will see these sitemaps here. Now what you want to find is go ahead. You can find more information right there, or you can also go to xmlsitemaps.com. Now, where you want to go is on this XML sitemaps is to SEO tools. And from here is click on here to validate XML sitemap. So we want to click right there on sitemap validator. And from here, you're going to paste that link. So for example, I chose this link from my sitemaps. I'm just going to paste it right there and validate it here. So as you can see, no issues detected. Now, if you want to validate it and add it to your Google Search Console, go to Google Search Console now. And once you are here and have added your website here and verified it, you're going to click Sitemaps. And here you can actually add a sitemap. So you want to go ahead and copy this one. And here you're going to paste it and submit it. And basically that's how you add those sitemaps. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.